Hello student, please subscribe my channel. Here you want to see that these are the redox couple which can reduce nitrate ion in aqueous medium. Redox couple standard reduction potential has been given. So here it is MCQ question. Multiple correct answer will be there for the reduction of nitrate ion in aqueous medium. E naught value of reduction potential is given plus 0.96 volt for nitrate ion reduction. Okay, now V2 positive plus 2 electron reduction potential of these are given to us. So V2 positive gain 2 electron gives V E naught minus 1.19. Fe3 positive gain 3 electron gives Fe E naught minus 0.04. Au3 positive gain 3 electron converted into Au E naught will be equal to plus 1.404 volt. Hg2 positive gain 2 electron converted into Hg, E naught value is equal to 0.86 volt. So the pair of metals that are oxidized by nitrate ion in aqueous solution is R. So we will see nitrate ion if V and Hg, Hg and Fe, Fe and Au, Fe and V. So we will see that A, B and D are correct option. Au is not applicable over here. Okay, because see here this E naught for vanadium to ion to vanadium is equal to minus 1.19. This is lower value than this is lower value than this. E naught value of Hg2 positive is also lower than E naught of nitrate ion. So this A, B and D can be oxidized by nitrate and simultaneously they will reduce nitrate. When they get oxidized, so they will reduce nitrate ion. But here since Au3 positive having higher E naught value, there will be no reaction because one thing, it is having higher oxidation state, and secondly it is having higher this reduction potential, so it cannot be reduced by the nitrate ion. It is a very good oxidizing agent. So lower will be the, see here, the substance which has lower reduction potential are a stronger reducing agent, while those substances which are having higher reduction potential are a stronger oxidizing agent. So Au is oxidizing agent, right? So we will see that nitrate oxidizes vanadium, iron and mercury. Mn1 positive Mn for V, Fe and Hg are lower than that of nitrate. So nitrate ion can oxidize these. Clear? Vanadium, iron and mercury. Clear to you? Thank you for watching. God bless you. All the best. Again I will repeat, 0.96 is having higher value as compared to E naught of V2, V1 positive, V2 to V, Fe3 positive to Fe and Hg2 positive to Hg. They are having lower E naught value than nitrate ion E naught. So they can be oxidized. A, B